Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for NVDA. Today is Saturday, but my trade day is actually January 31st, which was yesterday. So we're just closing off the week. I actually recorded it so I can just show you guys how I ended up doing my second swing trade, which was on the 30th to the 31st. So this is my second swing trade and we profited $13.50. So yeah, let's get into the video. I can just show you my breakdowns and how I actually came up on $1,350. So let's get into it. So as you can see, on the 30th, I got in at 122. I got in at 122 price target with 300 shares. And then my plan was to actually just pretty much, again, you have to always make a plan. So my plan was to just make at least $1,000 for this second trade that I'm doing. I don't want to be greedy because the first trade I actually did, we clocked over $5,000. So I just wanted to end the week a little bit stronger and not going too harsh on it. So as you can see, I went in half this time, 300 shares. Once I got in, yes, I could have definitely sold out at this first pop. But again, that did not clear my $1,000 goal that I was aiming for. So what I did was I held. And again, I told you guys that I'm actually trying to pretty much master the swing trade portion of it instead of doing the dailies, at least for now. And then we'll go back into the daily trading. So obviously, yes, we saw the stock actually sold off. Seeing this huge, sell off right here. And then we actually pretty much ended up going right back up to 120, 125. I think this would have net me like close to 600, 650, 700 maybe. And again, I held on for the next day. And once it opens up, I pretty much held on until it passed my $1,000 mark, which would have been like 126.60, and that would have been like close to 1,300. So all in all, I walked away with like 1,380. I have the video here in the background. I could show you guys here where, let me just pull it back a little bit, where you can actually see the section where I set it to sell off. See, we're over 1,300 and there we go, sold out. And the main thing I'm trying to tell you guys is I haven't been doing this, yesterday or anything. If you go back, I've been trading for a while. So this isn't my first time just making, $1,000 or whatever. But what I'm trying to say is back then, all I wanted to do was make sure I can make $10 consistently. At least start off small, guys. And then you can actually start seeing some really good returns. And just have a plan that you actually feel like you can actually master. Right? So if you feel like you can be a really good day trader or a swing trader, just know what you're doing and just have like a plan that you always do consistently. That's what actually helps me out when it comes to trading in the market. I have a plan, I stuck to it, I sold, I bought, and I sold, I buy, sell, buy, sell. And that's how you actually, just remain consistent within the market. So we still have the news with NVIDIA. It's just been the whole DeepSeek situation. You see the news going down. It's just, if we take a look at the 180-day chart, again, you can see that this is definitely my second trade. The first trade was 600. Actually, this is for, let's go back here. Right here, this is for the year I'm talking about, for the year 2025. This would have been before 2024, as you can see. And yeah, so it's my second swing trade for the year and we're up almost $6,465. Absolutely happy with that. This is the first week and we're just gonna see, how consistent we can be into turning this account to, maybe 100,000 or so. Anyways, so you can see the chart here where it got rejected within this EMA, rejected, and we were pushing over the EMA line for another rebound. But however, there's clearly some resistance going on here around 128, 126, and that's what allowed me to say, you know what, I'm just gonna set it for $1,000 once it goes below my price target. I actually got in a little bit too early, but that's okay. You know, everything can't just be perfect in a perfect world. I got in a little bit too early, and it still net me my $1,000 goal I was actually trying to achieve. After that, we can clearly see the stock. After I sold out, we can clearly see the stock, you know, sell all the way off, going below where I was holding at 122. So had I held, I would have been down right now. Again, that's the reason why I say, guys, you always make a plan. You sell. Once you sell, do not be greedy. That's how you get wiped out. And yeah, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this whole thing. Are you actually trading the NVIDIA, you know, stock itself, or are you swing trading? What do you guys think about the news with the whole DeepSeek stuff going in and out and people still like selling off their shares? I think it has the potential for it to recover. We also have earnings coming up on the 26th this month. We'll see what happens once that day comes. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think? Are you trading it? You know, what are you trying to do? This is YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. Man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.